The new assignment that you're gonna enjoy a lot is called "What is that?" in Google Earth. Isn't it? So the first thing is that you can go to Google Earth immediately here. Where is it? There it goes. So you want to leave it there open. The other thing that you want to always keep open is your Google Classroom because you have all the resources there. So I'm gonna go another tab and go here to my Google Classroom. And over here, I want you to go, let's say that I am in the purple class. So I'm gonna go to my resources page, classwork here, resources side, and what you have to do, you click on the resources page, and then you go to maps, there it goes. And at the bottom, I want you to upload a KML file, okay? It's called, what is that? Here it is, what is that KML? So you're gonna say, click and download. And remember, do not double click because it's going to be in your download folder. You have it here. What is that? So it is there. Only click one time, you're all set. Now you go to Google Earth. And then when you go here, you go to projects. And then you're going to say new project, probably. And let me eliminate this one that is there so you don't get confused with more. There it goes. So you're gonna have something like this. Maybe you have a project already. Say open, import KML file from computer, isn't it? And then you find that one. What is that? In your download folder. Double click and it will open here. So this is a cool assignment to do. Look at this. I'm gonna do example number 1. You actually have first, second, third, fourth, 5 points, and extra credit 1 and extra credit 2. Mr. Fernandez, what do I record my answers? Well, if you go to maps and you go to classwork, usually I'm gonna place a document there that you're gonna be able to see. It's going to be something like this. I'll show you in a second. I have it here created for you. It's going to look like this. Okay, you're going to describe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to describe what you see every time that you arrive to your final destination, and you can record your extra credit 1 and extra credit 2. So it's going to look like that. So I'm going to go back to my Google Earth. The first one is an example. So example, direction, dir 45.67 and distance 0.43 is in miles. It's always in miles. Okay, so the first thing that I do is I double click in that and it's going to take me to a point. And always when I go there, I'm going to find an X. Okay, and then you can see it there. You cannot see it there. Okay, so now what we have to do is the direction is 45.67 and the distance is 0.43 miles. So I'm gonna move out a little bit. Remember, you can move with your the keys up and down of your keyboard. So I'm gonna put it like kind of far like that. 45.3. So I'm gonna use my protractor. I'm gonna put it in the center of the X, always in the center, perfectly in the center. 90 there, perfect. And I'm gonna say direction 45.7. So 45, that's not bad. I mean, you can have a decimals error, that's fine. 45.5 here, that's not bad. Okay, so now what I need is just to go for a distance of 0.43. Okay, so I'm gonna get my here. Well, remember I have to move that protractor. I'm gonna leave it 1 second with 45.5 there. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. I'm gonna move it with there, and I'm gonna click here in the center. You can zoom to be sure that you're clicking in the center. Click. I can double click and I can drop the line. Can you see? That's not a problem. Then I'm gonna measure more. That's what I would do. So then I drop my line, but I can stretch it. So now it's in meters. I gotta change to miles. There it goes, miles. 0.43. And then actually the direction is going to be kind of like this because I can see the blue. I'm going to just double confirm this by putting this exactly in the center there. Just want to be sure that it's in the center there. There it goes. And then 45.5. So my arrow is, I have to correct my arrow a little bit. When I do this and I move, I can keep it in the center there. Can you see? I just keep this one in the center and I know that it's perfectly there. Okay, so I've put it, you can move the whole screen or you can move your protractor there. But my direction is fixed, 45.5. They asked me for 45.67, so it's not bad. Now look at the distance. I gotta find 0.43. So following the blue, that is 0.43 exactly. So I'm gonna drop there. That's it. So what I have to do, don't delete it because it's just gonna disappear. What I'm gonna do is eliminate my protractor for a second, and I have to zoom at the end of the line. And whatever is the end of the line, I have to see what I'm, oh, what is that? Woo, that's super cool. That's the end of the line. And what I can see is actually that's a pack of elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elephants. That's awesome. So then I recorded here. This is like the example. You're gonna do it in one. It says, I found 9 elephants. That's cool. Actually, I can see even in which country those were, isn't it? Because if I activate my layers, exploration, and I go back, I know that it's this patch here and keep it in the center of the screen. I can put a dot, so there it goes. Very clever. So I don't lose it. And I can just go where I am, where am I, where am I, where am I? Ooh, so in chat. So this is the place where the elephants were. But that's how you do it. You go with the next point. Try to find strange things there. First, second, third, always direction and distance. Remember, you double click and it's always clean them up. It's gonna always take you to an X, okay? And with that X is where you start doing your project. Let me show you here. There it is. If you don't see the X, it's because this is blocked. So you have to, let's see, I'm just moving to another one. For example, third point there. Second, just testing, I have to see the X. Yep, it's perfect. Third, not bad, I have to see the X. Yep, so it's fine. I'm just testing that you can see the X in all of them. Fourth, good. Fifth, checking that the X's are there, the marks. Perfect. Extra credit, 1. Yep, perfect. And extra credit, 2. With this one, you can visualize it. You put it, you don't see it, then you see the X. Fantastic. Okay, go for your treasure hunt of strange things on Google Earth. What is that?